So this is my dirt bike. It's not brand new, but I just got it yesterday, used. Only 1500. It's a YZ 125. It's a year 2000 model, and it's pretty nice, I think. Doesn't really have anything super special, but the guy who owned it was a mechanic and took very good care of it. So the suspension, I don't know if you can tell, I can just hardly push down on it and it just goes down. And the only thing I think that's really different is that it's got the kickstand, which I really like, because the guy, he said he always had to stop for his kid, because his kid always needed help when they were out dirt biking, so he was tired of laying it on the ground. So he got the kickstand, which I think is really useful. Oopsies, almost dropped my iPod there. I really like it. And, oh yeah, another thing is this back sprocket here is fine, and the chain is fine, but the guy I bought it from, he's going to replace it, because this sprocket in here is a little worn. It's not going to break or anything, but it is worn. And I'll just start it up. So yeah, that's it. Started first kick that time. I've only ridden it once, so I'm not actually sure if it does that every time, but yeah, it's really nice.